Are you looking for one convenient solution to comprehensively maintain your outdoor areas? Well, you're in the right place. For decades, our team has created customized maintenance plans for Kansas City homeowners. Today, I'm going to explain more about how our process can help you get the worry free yard of your dreams. First, we'll chat to ensure we're a good fit for each other. Once we schedule our first meeting at your home, we'll send a quick survey for you to complete. It's a powerful tool that will make your expectations clear and to also track your landscape's improvement over time. Your account manager will review your results with you during your first meeting. We want to hear about any past frustrations and find opportunities to get the results you're looking for. For the next step, your account manager will be visiting your home for a thorough site analysis. They'll take measurements and assess the health of your lawn and plants. And since every home garden is unique, they'll take detailed notes to take in account your unique situation. And within 24 to 48 hours, you'll receive a detailed estimate. It will include all of the essential maintenance tasks, but we also may have some options to add other services. It's one of the things that our clients tell us they love most about High Prairie. If you need help with irrigation, lawn care treatments, seasonal flowers, or holiday decor, we can help you there as well. Regardless of what your maintenance plan includes, you'll get attention to the finest of details. We'll also keep you informed along the way with what's happening on your property. You'll have your own customer portal where you can see quality control reports and read summaries of what was done during each service. Again, our goal is the same as yours, a worry-free property and client experience, and we're here with you every step of the way.